Don't you gotta go to school
Go
tomorrow,
make her
kid?
bottle, you
Hey,
bitch.
don't you gotta go to school
Go be a
tomorrow,
good
kid?
father.
Aren't you 12?
Stop fucking
Aren't you
selling
12?
niggas on the game and
Aren't you a
good
virgin?
dad. What is wrong
You on
with
the
you?
game? Why you on here?
What the fuck is wrong with you, bro?
Why you not on Roblox?
Be a good dad.
Why you
Go
here?
carry a child, bro.
Why
Stop
you
selling
here?
niggas on the game, bro. What you do? Go take care of
Ain't
your
that
kid.
crazy? You should play some
wrong with you?
Minecraft. You over here getting cooked on
nigga's
2K.
stupid.
Oh my God, this ain't for you.
Oh my
He doing you bad.
70. I know what type timing he on. Go PWEEZY. Go PWEEZY indeed. Go PWEEZY indeed. Who just dropped that? Hey, Drip Lord J. Appreciate that sub, Brody. Hey. Toying with this nigga. Appreciate that sub. Shout out Drip Lord J, man. Appreciate that sub, Brody. On the tube skis. Give me that shit. So these niggas finna be just taking tools on folding them. Yo, you be fighting me with the old folder, bruh. Oh my goodness, good dunk. What up, Cali? That walk back animation dribble cool. Hey, bruh. Bro, these niggas are not serious. Like, they just finna backdoor. Backdoor. Keep backdooring. Yep. Take y'all twos now. Keep taking twos, baddies. Yeah, nigga. Keep taking twos. Keep taking fucking twos then. What's wrong with niggas, bruh? What's wrong with niggas? Keep taking twos. Nah, keep taking twos. Don't shoot threes now. Oh, now niggas want to pop out to the three. Nah, keep taking twos. Keep scoring y'all weak ass twos. Give me that shit. Yeah, keep scoring them twos. We gonna take threes. Now we up. Now we up, nigga. Now y'all gotta play catch up. Now let me cook this nigga. What is you doing? Where is you going, boy? Come on. You better know who you going against. My boy Kodak 2K, indeed. Y'all can have it, bro. I don't care, bro. I don't care about the two, bro. Y'all can have it, bro. Y'all can have it. Oh, good D. Nah, that's me. Good D. Good D. That's fine. 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 My man can have it. No cap. Now he playing good defense though, chat. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna have to shoot off the little. Y'all gonna see. I'm gonna shoot out that shit. Okay, 2K. Okay, 2K. This nigga's 7'2" and he's staying on my fucking hip. Oh, you didn't jump? My bad, Mark. I'm thinking you gonna jump for that shit. 2 covering 1 for nah, he got it, bro. Like this nigga getting mad bumpy. Oh, good fucking move. Give me that shit, dumbass. No! Bro, why the fuck does it keep making me shoot, man? Bro, if I flick my stick down, bro, why the fuck? Like, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. That shit is so annoying. Bro, that shit is so annoying, bro. Like, get the fuck up, bro. Excuse my language, bro. Get up, bro. That's me, bro. I gotta lock in. We gotta get a stop. Oh. Come on. I'm here. Come on. He ain't got no pass act. His shit is slow. Come on. I'm locked in. Come on. One stop. One stop. One stop. Yo, Mark. Come on, bro. That's all that nigga's doing. He cannot score without it, bro. I'm about to just score, bro. We're going to have to get a stop. We got to get a stop. Come on. I'm not getting backdoor, bro. You could try it with somebody else, bro. I'm not getting backdoor, nigga. You can try it with somebody else. Fuck wrong with y'all, bruh. You can try it with somebody else. You cannot do it with me, nigga. I'm there, nigga. What is you talking about? Come on, bro. Oh, that's ball game, nigga. That's fucking ball game, nigga. What's wrong with niggas, bruh? What's wrong with niggas, bruh? What's wrong with niggas, bruh? Dude still streaming, just quit. It's easier? Nah, bro. That's on you, bro. You could give up on your shit, bro. I'm not gonna give up on my shit. I just had a W fucking stream today. Before you joined this bitch, this shit was a W fucking stream. And it still is, nigga. So you, yeah. Come on, bro. Stop fucking playing, nigga. Locked in, nigga. GG's too easy, you feel me? Hey, you feel me, BMX? Nah, I ain't gonna say too easy, man. GG's to them boys, bro. My bad, bro. What's up, Rowan? Nah, Rowan, I'm not gonna 1v1 you, bro. Where your podcast at? The podcast name is Life Podcast Official, bro. We be on Twitch. Y'all can follow us on all social media, but mainly on Twitch. We're gonna be live on Twitch. That's where we talk about life and shit like that. So if you need help with your life, you know what I'm saying, things going on in your life that you need help with, you can talk to us. Today's live, we're gonna be talking about our stories, and we're gonna be asking each other questions. Yes, last Tuesday, which was yesterday, or no, 2 days ago, we had a live with this dude. His name is Pete. He actually do podcasts. He be on like Apple Music and stuff like that. Apple Music, Apple Podcasts, and doing all that stuff. And he was tuned in with us yesterday or the other day, helping us out on Tuesday. So definitely W Mans, you know what I'm saying? And he kind of put us on. So yeah, but it's called Life Podcast Official. I'm gonna put it in the chat. Hold on. Goodie. What the fuck? Bro. He one of them niggas, bro, that play hip level defense, chat. Like, that shit is annoying, bro. Just playing on one side. Give me that shit. Nigga. Alright, bet. I'm gonna put it in the chat. This nigga's tripping. Dumbass nigga. Stop playing my fucking hip. I bet. That's the podcast, man. Y'all can look it up on Twitch. On Twitchy. Yeah, we be streaming in there on Twitch. This gonna be our 6th live. So yeah, we just started, bro. We got a long time. Bang. Oh, W Zen. And they got a Zenny. Anything's possible. 2K sales with the amount of steals. Facts, bro. This shit's crazy. GG's. Nah. $19, 18%. Chat, let's go in game chat.
Shut your dumb ass up. You suck. You got
these
my dick
niggas
in your
arguing.
mouth, but really a dick eater. Not doing nothing. Like, I don't get it.
You
This nigga going on crying. You a fucking weirdo.
Oh yeah, these niggas arguing. Oh yeah, chat. You know you gotta beat when they arguing.
Because your fucking baby is tend to your baby. Stop playing the game and missing. Stop playing the game and missing. Bro, go take care of your child, bro. This shit's not it.
You hear it? She fine.
This
She
shit
chilling.
not it, bro. Go take care of your
Big chilling.
child.
Hey, she chilling. Aren't you like
She's
12,
not, bro.
Aren't
She
you go to
crying
school
and
tomorrow?
whining.
Don't you gotta go to school
Fucking bottle.
tomorrow? Don't you gotta go to school
Go
tomorrow,
make her
kid?
bottle, you
Hey,
bitch.
don't you gotta go to school
Go be a
tomorrow?
good father.
Aren't you 12?
Stop fucking
Aren't you
selling
12?
niggas on the game and
Aren't you a
good dad.
virgin?
What is wrong
You on
with
the
you?
game? Why you on here?
What the fuck is wrong with you, bro?
Why you not on Roblox?
Be a good dad.
Why you
Go take care of
here?
your child, bro.
Why
Stop
you
selling
here?
niggas on the game, bro. What you do? Go take care of
Ain't
your
that
kid.
crazy? You should Play
Fuck
some
wrong with you?
Minecraft. You over here getting cooked on
This
2K.
nigga's stupid.
Oh my God, this ain't for you.
Oh my
He doing you bad.
But he is going against PWEEZY,
This
nigga.
rookie
Don't
one
make
is
it. Don't make
getting
it seem like.
done.
Nah, just playing.
This rookie
this
one
shit.
getting done up. This rookie one getting done up.
Oh,
over
he
here.
a
You can't
rookie.
score for the life of- over
Oh,
here
so
working
I'm
2
bullying
against
right
1.
now.
Nigga,
My
so
fault.
ass. Look at him, look at him. What I thought.
No,
bitch,
no
get
way
your
he
mic.
quit. No. Is he gonna let him talk to? Yo, this nigga went on mute. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. You can't go out like that. Nah. Them niggas gave up, bro. Like. Nah, bro. GG's, bro. GG's. That's my last game, though. I ain't gonna lie. I'm off. I'm off. No cap. No cap. I'm off. I really got mad. That nigga said, go. Nigga, go. Hold on.
Shut your strong.
Alright, bet I'm gonna see these.
Shut your
Alright,
bitch
y'all
ass.
boys. Wait, hey, before we slide out of here, chat.